At 6 a.m. on a random Tuesday morning, Juan carefully snuffs out his breakfast on the bottom of his shoe, hoping to save some for his lunch break. He re-enters his home, bathes, and wakes his two children, Maria and Alejandro. Juan makes their lunches and prepares for the job that has paid his bills since his teenage years. The same job that his parents had in the same field that their parents had before them. Juan Martinez works in Zona Pial of León, Guanajuato. What if I were to tell you that in this nondescript neighborhood, behind each of these small doors, were some small factories running multi-million-dollar white label businesses? What if I also told you that you could have a stake in these businesses? Today, we're going to take you behind these doors to show you how white label businesses are making people around the world millions. Juan arrives for work with no fanfare, like he has at different factories for the past 10 years. He settles in and gets busy. He has been stitching soles on the bottoms of shoes for the past 10 years, a position he has worked hard to get. His family has worked in leather ever since he can remember. They are what the locals call green bellies. They've worked in the tanneries. They were artisan crafters, salesmen, and now he himself, a factory worker. Juan's story isn't unique. For generations, León, Guanajuato has been tanning, fleshing, crafting, and exporting high-quality leather products. This shop is one of thousands located in the city. Producers of shoes, boots, purses, belts, saddles, and every other imaginable product made from leather. ¿Cuál es su nombre? ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Es Martín González. Es botas el Malcreado.
You sell zapatos solo or bags or
Todo. Bolsas, zapatos, cinturones, accesorios, carteras.
Okay. Authentic piel.
Yeah. Pura piel auténtica, sí.
How can people contact you?
WhatsApp es 477-857-6162 para cualquier pedido, para envíos a Estados Unidos, a México, a donde guste.
Do you do white label? Would you be able to make a shoe for my brand?
Sí. En cualquier marca, cualquier logo, lo que tú me pidas se puede hacer.
Oh, baby, that's what's up. Muchas gracias, hombre. Shoot.
Lo que te imagines, lo hacemos.
Okay. Anything I can imagine. I like it. I saw that one shit. Now, ¿cuál es su nombre, hombre?
André González. Pueden visitarnos aquí en Botas el Malcreado en la página, en TikTok.
Sí.
Aquí sí.
There it is. Zoom in. Boom. Gracias, hombre. I know. We do the boom, then boom.
My name's Liliana.
Liliana, and what are you doing here in León?
I'm actually out here shopping for boots, authentic boots. That's what my business is about. We work with boots, nothing but authentic. We're from Austin, Texas, and our store is called Chabelli Boots. And we're located at 8714 FM 812 in Austin, Texas. Y'all could visit us at any time.
All right, so is this like your preferred place to go?
Of course, this is like the place to come if you want to find authentic. This is where the boots are born. This is like where it starts from like scratch.
León has an incredible ecosystem for leather products. Today, I'm going to show you where white label businesses are able to source the actual production and the leather for the production. Check it out. Welcome to Leather World. In this nondescript neighborhood, there's a market that sells all types of leather products. Anything you can think of, you can find here. We have rows and rows and rows, over 400 stalls filled with raw leather products. When a company makes a product and puts a different company's logo on the product, this is called white labeling. Leon has many business entities set up strictly for the purpose of creating white label leather products for export to the United States. To Gucci, to any other kind of knockoff, except they're going to be genuine leather knockoffs, all right? Oh, you make the boots?
Yes. Le mandamos un saludote a toda la gente que nos está viendo de allá de Estados Unidos. León, Guanajuato, somos fabricantes directos de botas, cualquier tipo de piel.
León, Guanajuato has been producing white label products for a long time, so there are a lot of different ways to bring your product to market. You can source the raw materials, contact a vendor, and get a quote for how much it will cost you to get that product made. Or you can select from prefabricated goods to have your label put on for a predetermined price. One of the easiest things in the world is to come here and source some leather products. They even show you some different things that you can make with the leather products, such as ostrich shoes from our players from Detroit. Or crocodile boots. So this is just one of many leather distribution centers here in León. Crazy.
In the leather industry, the white label business model has led to a surge of innovation.
Who buys these materials?
Who buys these?
Sí.
The guys who makes shoes or
The shoes? Sí. Jackets and stuff?
Jackets, bags.
Okay, okay. What are some of your customers for this product?
The first time, the Mexican customers. But we also sell in Texas or California too.
Oh, wow.
Or Arizona.
Do you send it, you mail them to them, or do they come pick them up?
No, we send it.
You send it?
Yeah.
Okay. Muchas gracias, man. Thank you again.
Traditional craftsmanship now complements cutting-edge technology, which results in the creation of high-quality, globally recognized products.
You cannot say León without saying leather. When I say León, you say leather. León, leather. León, leather. Real talk, you guys. We're going to take you on a tour of one of the major factories here, the only tannery that lays claim to the name of being the most sustainable tannery in America. Period, point blank, and flat out. These guys make leather products. They do the tanning for Timberland and various other major labels that you know. We're going to take you into the factory, show you the process, and show you why this place is actually the most sustainable tannery in America. Check it out.
And they start growing with us. They come, they buy one hide, they make a bag, and after that they sell it and they start growing with us.
Luis Ernesto of LEFARC Premium Leather Products did an excellent job showing us the secret sauce in LEFARC's factory and why they are the highest quality, most certified, and sustainable leather in all of the Americas. There's going to be a skin that's left over, right?
Yeah, what we do is we recycle, we try to avoid more pollution, because if you throw that hide, it's a completely mess.
Yes.
And we actually, what we need to do is to promote more leather. I think people have been attacking us a lot without knowing. So we need to...
Look, they got stuff on the market now that's plastic, and plastic kills the earth. Plastic is horrible for the earth.
Yeah.
Skin will eventually disappear, you know? So, I completely agree. More leather, more leather, more leather.
Yeah, no, we need to understand why leather, where you can use it, and it's long last more and everything.
That's true. Like a good leather boot, you can have for like 20, 30 years, man. Just take the bottom off, put a new bottom on.
Yeah,
that's true.
And also we reduce around 50% in chemicals.
50%?
That is where the sustainable matters.
I do know tanning takes a lot of chemicals,
Yeah, it takes a lot.
Wow.
And then here we have the development and design area. If a customer tells, hey, I want this new waterproof or waterproof with this color, we make it here.
So this is your R&D, your research and development room. The tanning process is quite corrosive to nature, but LEFARC, working with a university and some engineers, have developed techniques to help save our environment, reduce their carbon imprint, reduce the amount of water used in the tanning process, and work toward a more natural way of doing business.
It can take to 8 or 12 hours.
Okay.
Depends.
Wow.
We have a project called SACWA.
Okay.
SACWA means saving water.
Okay.
So we reduce around 30% of water in our production. We are the first tannery to achieve that all around the world. At the end, this industry is a recycle industry. Like the people don't understand that we don't kill the cow just for hype. You know, we actually recycle from the slaughterhouses. The industry, the meat industry. It's keep growing all over the years.
That's right.
And we can throw the hides to the ground. It will be more polluting. So what we are doing is we are recyclers, but we need to process these hides in the ecological and sustainable way
in a responsible way.
Yeah, in a responsible way. We will do it as the customer required. If they want stiff leather, we'll make in different way and everything. So everything is about what the customer needs, and then we need to work to do what they want and to approach us the way they want.
This industry employs thousands in and around the city of Lyon, and it continues to be a powerhouse of economic development and transformation. You know what? The hustle culture is real here, and you can be a part of it too if you want to.
The white label business is a complete game changer. It is allowing for people to dream big, to build their brands without the need of a bunch of overhead, without the need of a factory. And this is opening doors for creators like you to build your own business.
We're currently shooting a documentary about PL leather here in Lyon, and we had a wonderful shop called Indobles, which is gold, I believe, and Indomales, and come on over, bro. Shoot. It's hard work on the job. Yeah, let's toast, brother. And you know, we just ran into a shop and salud, bro. And they gifted me with a Corona. You gotta love Mexico. Viva Mexico.